behind here, which is coming from the Tappet cover. So we're gonna pull that off and put a new gasket on it. Hopefully that seals it up better. If you look down here, which is kind of where it's pooling up. Yeah, left unchecked, that would make a mess. So easier to do it, a lot easier to do it now than once everything's in the car. I'm not sure if it was the Tappet cover or this cover that was actually leaking. This is the housing for the gears that go to the RPM indicator, tachometer, or rev counter, whatever you want to call it. That's the inside of the Tappet cover. It's down here, it's all grimy, so maybe it was leaking there. We'll clean it up, put it back on. The new gasket, some sealer. All the bolts that came out of them are the same except for these two, which are shorter, and they go kind of up by the engine mount because it gets really thin in there. Not much clearance to get in. Alright, it's time to start putting this back together. We got it cleaned up. First we're going to put this on. I have a new gasket. I have blue stuff on both sides. I'm going to put this in, but we're not going to like put the bolts on it, because to get the bolt in the Tappet cover, this head gets in the way. But this back one can go in, and that'll help line everything up. Yeah, we won't tighten it up all the way yet. Okay, so we have a new cover, a new gasket for the Tappet cover. So it only goes on one direction. The bolt holes are in a strange pattern. We're gonna start with, you guessed it, blue stuff. Blue stuff's my new favorite stuff. Alright, now this slips in from the side. I don't know if I mentioned it, but this cover is made out of aluminum, which is kind of interesting. Oh, that took a long time. Hard to say why. It was hard to get the bolts in, especially around the engine mount. Getting it aligned with the gasket through the hole into the right place, it all just took a long time. And you know, each one is difficult to get to. So, well, there's about 3 or 4 that you can get a wrench on, socket on. Anyway, it's on. I need to clean it up and then touch up paint, and then we can move on.